Title: Green, the color of life and nature. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word green. Green is a color often associated with the lush vegetation of the natural world. It signifies the vibrancy, growth, and vitality that nature offers. Pronunciation: pronouncing green is simple, green, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, the color green is prevalent in leaves, grass, and forests, and it symbolizes the abundance of life and the environment. Importance: green is a color that reflects the balance and harmony of nature, reminding us of the importance of preserving the environment and our planet. Conclusion: in summary, green is a word that represents the beauty and vitality of nature and serves as a reminder of our responsibility to protect our environment. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, celebrate the wonder of green in the natural world.